these guys.
Alright, man?
It's kind of just snuck up on me.
Sorry about that, man.
Alright, whatever. Sweet. Ready? I'm ready. So let's do this.
This place is dope.
Doesn't smell too nice now, does it?
True that. True that.
They got enough toilet paper to last forever.
Well, what is that?
Darren, don't move.
Why?
There's a spider on your back.
What?
Yeah, there's a giant spider.
Hey, chill.
Is it off?
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You guys know I got a phobia. Don't kid around like that.
Chill out. dude.
It's there, it's there.
Chill out. It's just a joke.
Hey, you guys, you gotta come see this.
Let's go.
I think it's a dead dog.
Oh,
What?
oh, what the
A dead
hell?
dog. It looks like something ate it. Oh.
Sure, it's a dead dog?
No, yeah, it's definitely a dog. And it's dead.
What would eat a dead dog? Or,
Well,
you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, that's nasty.
Here, you know what? Look out of the way. I want a picture.
Oh.
There we go. Power of galaxy.
Oh my God, guys, help!
What is that? What is that?
Definitely didn't think this was gonna happen.
What'd you say?
I said I definitely didn't think this was gonna happen.
Oh, I thought you knew this was gonna happen.
God damn it, I can't even see a thing in here.
Here. 1 sec. Alright, I got my phone. Oh my. Jeez, where the hell are we, man? Oh. It's freaking. I gotta get out of here.
Oh my.
What was that?
Derek, shut up.
Tommy?
That scared the poop
We're lost.
out of me.